Are you trying to keep track of your family? Today, we'll compare Life360 and Find My. Both tools help you stay connected with loved ones. But how do they differ? Life 360 is all about family safety. It lets you see where your family members are in real time. You can create private groups, send alerts, and even share driving details. It's designed for families who want to stay in touch and ensure everyone is safe. On the other hand, Find My is Apple's tool for locating devices and people. It works seamlessly with iPhones, iPads, and Macs. You can find your lost devices, share your location with friends, and even play a sound to help locate them. It's great for Apple users who want a simple way to stay connected. Now, let's look at the main differences. Life 360 focuses more on family safety features, while Find My is geared towards Apple device users. Life 360 has features like driving reports and crash detection. Find My, however, is great for locating lost devices and has a more straightforward interface for Apple products. When it comes to features, Life 360 offers a lot for families, including location history and emergency alerts. Find My is more about device tracking and sharing locations with friends. In terms of pricing, Life 360 has a free version, but many features require a subscription. Find My is free for Apple users, which is a big plus. So, which one should you choose? If you want a tool focused on family, safety, and driving, go for Life 360. If you're an Apple user just looking to find devices and share your location, Find My is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.